So today we're going to take a look at how you can blur or make a bokeh effect on a background image that you already have in Photoshop, or a photo you've already taken. So here we have this action figure of Donnie Darko, it's Bunny Frank, and basically I want to make this background more blurry than it already is, and just keep the figure in focus. So what we're going to do is, we're going to have our image open, we're going to create a duplicate layer, so we're just going to right click, duplicate layer, we're going to hide the bottom layer. And all we're going to do next is we're going to go over here to our quick selection tool. We're going to simply click that. We're going to click the cloud, the drop down next to select subject, and click cloud detailed results. I'm going to click select subject. This will probably take a few seconds to do depending on your internet. There we go. So now you want to click the button next, which is select a mask. Click that, scroll down to the bottom here and you're going to see output 2. Simply just click new layer with layer mask, click OK. So now you're going to see we actually have a cut out of our shape. We're going to hide this layer, click back on the middle layer. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to click filter. Make sure you clicked on that layer, click filter, blur. I like a Gaussian blur. You can play around with some different blurs if you like. I'm going to set this to about 30. Click OK. And then we're going to make our layer come back with our layer mask. And there we are, and if you really want, you can click shift, select both layers, and merge them together. Merge layers. Like so, so as you can see there now, compared to the original, we have our blurred background. Thanks for watching guys, please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.